Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a burrito using 2 tortillas. This method creates a larger, more robust burrito that holds all your delicious fillings without tearing. First, select 2 large flour tortillas, ideally 10 to 12 inches in diameter. Lay them overlapping by about 1/3 on a clean surface. Gently warm them for about 15 to 20 seconds in a microwave or on a griddle to make them more flexible for rolling. Now let's talk about layering your fillings. Begin by spreading a thin, even layer of a creamy base, such as refried beans or sour cream, across the overlapping tortillas. This acts as a delicious glue. Next, add your main protein like seasoned chicken or beef and rice, distributing them evenly in the center. Finish with fresh ingredients such as salsa, shredded cheese, and your favorite vegetables for a balanced bite. Rolling a 2 tortilla burrito requires a specific technique to keep everything secure. First, fold the left and right sides of the overlapping tortillas inward over your fillings by about 2 inches. Then, bring the bottom edge of the tortillas up and over the fillings, tucking it in tightly. Continue rolling the burrito firmly from bottom to top, ensuring a snug, compact package that won't unravel. To truly perfect your 2 tortilla burrito, consider a final step. Place the rolled burrito seam side down on a hot griddle or in a pan. Grill or pan fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's golden brown and slightly crispy. This seals the burrito, preventing any leaks, and adds a wonderful texture. Serve your magnificent creation immediately with your favorite salsa or guacamole.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.